Alcyone were the rulers of Thessaly. Styx being the son of Lucifer, the bringer of light, and Alcyone being the daughter of Aeolus, the king of the wind. The two were known for their unbearable love and inseparable bond. But there came a time where Styx must leave on a trip to consult an oracle. Alcyone pleaded with his husband to allow her to accompany him on his journey, but Styx wouldn't have it, and so he left alone. On the same night, a powerful storm brewed, and every crew member on the ship was terrified, save one. It was Styx, for he knew that he made the right decision of leaving Alcyone. Just minutes before he died, his last words were his wife's name. Alcyone, without knowing her husband's fate, continued to wait for him on the shore. Every night, he prayed to Hera for her husband's safe return, and it did not fail to touch the heart of the goddess of marriage. Hera sent Morpheus, the son of the old god of sleep, to visit Alcyone in her dreams. Disguised as the drowned Styx, he told Alcyone everything about what happened in the ship, about how his last words were her name, and reminded Alcyone to weep for him, so that his death would not be so painful. When she woke up, she decided then and there to take her own life, because she thought that it would be better to die than to live without the presence of her beloved husband. The next day, she still continued to wait for the shore, but she was surprised about the figure that was being slowly swept by the waves towards her. Oh my God! Oh my God!